Okay, we have here a USAutomatics 030215. It's the push button, push to exit, whatever you want to call it. You have a hardware kit that comes with it. You'll have the button assembly. We don't have a lot of room to sit up here. Your instruction manual, and lastly, your battery. This is going on our demo gate, so we won't use a lot of the mounting hardware. We're probably going to go with the two-sided Velcro or something, but your button comes already loose. You have your cover, you have the button itself, and then you have the mounting housing. All you're going to do is put your battery in. This is, again, the 3.6 volt. It's not your typical AA battery. When you're mounted, that just clips into place with a clip on each corner, and then this will go over and pop on the outside. To program this, you're going to take your small paper clip or device, in my case a drill bit. You're going to press and hold your P1 on the receiver until your green light comes on, and then you're going to just hold your hand over this. You should hear a buzz. Okay, so we had our tone. So now, when this is mounted, when your gate openers, you can mount this on a post. These are wireless, so they can be on your buggies or anything. And now what you'll do is whenever you're ready, wherever you have it mounted, mine's just sitting on this post cap just for this video. There's no actual click to the button. It's just a touch. So once you touch it, your gate will move. This is programmed like your remotes for P1. So if you touch it again, it's going to stop. Touch it again, it's going to close the gate. So you have all the same options as your regular remote, but pretty handy and inexpensive device to add to your gate.